Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's quick video, I'm gonna be comparing the Bissell Pet Hair Eraser versus the Shark Ultracyclone Cordless Handheld Vacuum. So which one should you go for? Which one is the best choice for you? This is what we will be finding out in this video. So as you can see that currently I'm on Reddit and this person has asked the same question, and in response to it, most of the people are saying that they what they actually like. So you can actually read the comments and then you can see which one are they liking. Second thing that you can do is you can simply go to amazon.com, and I will also put the link of both of these products down in the description, so you can go ahead and here you can see the ratings for Bissell. This product received 4.6 stars rating out of 5, which out of which 78% gave it 5-star rating. You can even click on the ratings section, and here you can again read the reviews, and then you can make up your mind why you should go for this product. If you want to know more information about it, then you can just go through this table and you will see what features and or perks and benefits this product gives. Next we have the Sharks product, and as you can see that this one has 4.3 stars rating and around 11,000 people have rated. So here you can again click on the rating section and you can read why people are liking the product. You can clearly see that the Bissell Pet Hair Eraser is the one that is purchased by a lot of people, and in comparison to Shark, this one is looking quite promising. But if your budget is low, then you can definitely go ahead and you can purchase it. So that was it for this video. If you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.